Welcome to English House. Let's enjoy the third dialogue between Eddy and Junior.
Forgetting the test. Junior is sitting at the kitchen table. He looks worried.
Hey, Junior, you look sad. What's wrong?
I have a big test tomorrow at school. I'm really worried about it.
Oh no, you need to relax.
How do I relax, Dad?
I know, let's go running. Running always helps me relax.
Dad, running doesn't help me. It makes me more tired.
What helps other kids at your school?
My friend Tom says his mom takes him to see someone who helps him relax.
Oh, I can help you relax. I saw something on TV about this.
Really, Dad?
Yes. First, you need to stand on one foot.
Stand on one foot?
And then you need to make loud noises, like this. Ah!
Eddy stands on one foot and shouts.
Dad, that's not relaxing. That's just weird.
No, I saw this on TV. Now you need to jump up and down.
Eddy starts jumping.
Dad, stop! You're making me more worried.
Wait, maybe I need to read about this on the internet.
Dad, I feel better now.
Really? Why?
Because watching you is so funny. I forgot about my test.